If you have a loved one flying in or out, some regional airports are reporting delays and cancellations. The Elmira Corning Regional Airport, at last check, reports one delay. That's a flight coming in from Newark, New Jersey. Over at the Ithaca-Tompkins Regional Airport, they're reporting one canceled departure tonight and tomorrow, as well as one canceled arrival. It's best to check with your airline before you head out. And if you don't want to risk it, American, United, and Delta passengers can change their tickets to fly as late as January 23rd at no extra charge.